All right, we're gonna make snowflakes out of coffee filters. So all you have to do for this is get maybe coffee filters, scissors, some markers, and a spray bottle of water. Now, certainly you don't have to have the markers or water to do this. You could just do the coffee filters with the scissors. We're gonna take a coffee filter, flatten it out, and we're just going to kind of doodle however you want to doodle. You can draw any type of design you'd like. I'm just doing some squigglies, and then maybe more in the middle, just straight lines. But once I have colored in my snowflake as much as I've wanted, the next step is to take a spray bottle of water and just spray it. And you can kind of see that color start to blend through. And it'll continue to do that as it absorbs the water. And you can help it out if you want along the way. You don't have to. It's really your design, whatever you'd like. There's no wrong way to do this. So, once we have our dry coffee filter from the design that we've done, like this, we're just gonna fold it in half, like this, and then we're gonna fold it again. And then just one more time. So 3 folds, and it should look about like this. And this is where the cool part comes in. Grab your scissors and just make some cuts. Let's see, I'll do a little bit of a heart shape, but you can do rectangles, triangles, diamonds, ovals, circles, whatever you'd like. Do maybe a rectangle up here. Again, there is no rhyme or reason. It's all gonna come out fantastic. I'm gonna do one side, and then I'll go ahead and do the other. Like this, just again, making a little bit of an oval right here. And then you can do the top as well. Making a triangle here, and maybe just a little baby rectangle here. All right. And now we're gonna see what we get. Because as you know, no snowflake is the same.